In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Base44. Whether you're rebranding, simplifying, or just keeping things tidy, updating a project name can help keep your workspace organized and efficient. Let's dive into the process together and make sure you know how to do this seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to open your Base44 dashboard. Start by navigating to the Base44 website. Once you're there, log into your account with your usual credentials. If you don't remember your password, you'll see an option to reset it. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your workspace dashboard. This dashboard is essentially the control center for all your activities on Base44, where you can view and manage your projects. Now, let's locate the specific project you want to rename. Take a look through your existing projects listed on your dashboard. If you have a lot of them, you might find it useful to use any sorting or filtering options that are available to find your project more quickly. Once you've found the right project, we're going to be looking right around that area for our next step. You're going to want to open the project options. Look for a menu, usually represented by the familiar three-dot icon or a settings gear icon. It's quite commonly situated near the project name itself. Clicking on this will open up a project actions menu with several options at your disposal. Among the options you see, keep an eye out for something like rename or edit project. Different versions or configurations might display these options slightly differently, such as rename project, edit details, or project settings. Any of these should lead you toward what we're hoping to achieve today. Simply click on the option that allows you to make changes to the project name. At this stage, you're ready to enter the new name for your project. Think about what makes sense for your work context. Descriptive names are often quite helpful in tracking and organizing projects effectively. Type the new name into the designated field, making sure it's exactly how you want it to appear moving forward. The final step is crucial: saving your changes. Once you've confirmed that the new name is correct, look for a button that says Save, Update, or Confirm. Clicking this will apply your changes and officially rename the project. If you encounter any issues or need to make further adjustments, this same process can be repeated at any time. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed a project in Base44, keeping your workspace clear and tailored to your needs. Remember, properly managed project names can make a world of difference in keeping your tasks streamlined and efficiently organized. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next video.